Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I am going to teach you about user interface of Solidworks 2020. Before getting into Solidworks, I want to tell you something about CAD softwares. Every CAD software has its own uniqueness, but its tools are almost same. About 60 to 70%, remaining 30% are unique based upon the industrial usage. If we learn the basics properly, we can move to further advanced CAD softwares easily. Now we move to Solidworks. Each and every year Solidworks is upgrading. Not only Solidworks, every software is too. When comparing new version with old version, it is almost 80% same, and remaining will be some additional features based upon the customer feedback that has been included for improving the productivity. If we click on the home button icon, a welcome window will pop up. In this welcome window, various classifications are there. In new we can see creating part template, creating assembly template, and creating drawing template. In part modeling template, we can create individual parts, such as solid modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal, pipe routing, and so on. In assembly template, we can create an assembled structure of various components made in part modeling. There are two types of assembly sequence are there. One is top-down assembly. In this we can create individual components or develop inside the assembly. And the second one is bottom-up assembly. In this we can create the assembly by importing existing components. In drawing template, we can make 2D drawings. It is a tool for communicating our design language to the manufacturing team, for reproducing our digital model into physical model without any deviation. In this open option, we can browse our design data in the folders. In this recent documents tab, we can see our recently opened or worked data, so that we don't want to search again from folder. If it is not visible in this tab, by clicking on View All option, we can be able to see plenty of datas. Even though we can customize the number of datas to be displayed, by getting into Options icon, and in General tab we can modify the value in the maximum recent documents to be displayed as we required. The Recent Folder tab is also similar to Recent Documents tab. If we want more, we can click View All and refer. In Resource tab consists of various training and certification which is directly offered by Solidworks. In Learn tab, we can see various levels of tutorials, from basic to advanced modeling, and certification programs like CSW and CSWP. Those kind of certifications will add a greater amount of credit to your career development. Hope you got a brief intro about Solidworks. And thanks for watching.